Mount Semeru is a stratovolcano mountain that is located between two districts, District Lumajang and Malang. Mount Semeru has a volcanic and strombolian type of eruption, and this mountain has erupted since 1818. Mount Semeru has a vital role in people's life. The dust gave a very good soil fertility that can boost up their plants. But behind every role the Semeru plays, there's a danger that is watching everyone. Yes, the eruption of Friday then became an example that mitigation and monitoring of mountains must be increased. And the amount of people that was died on that day was not separated from the eruption. The number of died people reached 51 victims because of Semeru eruptions, which is a reflection for the government to increase the disaster mitigation in the region, especially the danger zone of Mount Semeru, given the large impact it had. The eruption then resulted in the breakdown of the Malang-Lumajang connecting line, which resulted in the economic activities and mobility of residents being cut off. When the eruption was over, the ongoing impacts did not stop there. Cold lava floods hit everything around the Desa Curah Kobokan river. Sand miners did not escape being victims. The company also lost up to hundreds of millions of rupiah because the flood also brought their heavy equipment.
But we don't have any time to save our stuff. The house is all gone. The house collapsed. Everything was destroyed. Our stuffs were gone. We are asking for help from the government. Come on, hurry up.
Ya Allah, buri Allah. Allahu Akbar.
We just ran away. We were afraid of the eruption, and last night it rained, ash and flooded mud.
Ya Allah. Ya Allah. Ya Allah. Ya Allah, ayo Rek, ayo dulu.
I was heading for the river, then the sky suddenly got dark.
Apa itu? Suram lagi mana? Langsung hitam.
Yes, the sky is black. After that it rained and ashes.